Nature Center in Long Beach, California. I've actually been here twice before in 2017. It's 2021 now, so that was like 4 years ago. And it really doesn't look much different from when I came back there in 2017. But yeah, we're about to get in.
Let's check it out.
Yeah.
Okay, baby.
Oh yeah, there's a bunch of turtles. I'm not sure if there's some fish.
Oh, there's a fish.
There's just one. I don't know what that is. I don't know what the thing is. Oh look, it's a dragonfly. A blue one. This one, I remember not going in on the second time. I don't remember that much.
What is this? Okay.
This is the
Oh, there's some stuff here.
hold on.
No entry.
Okay.
To enter museum, please assemble at the south lawn. Okay.
Don't you like invisible? Oh, it's a book thing.
Is that cool?
Yeah. So you can see there's dragonflies.
There's a lot.
Yeah, they're they're either drinking water. So it's either that or they're laying their eggs. Like they lay eggs in the water.
Yeah. They open? It's closed today? No? It's not? Are you going to check it out?
We can't do it.
See the turtles, baby? Oh, there's a lot.
inspiration time. You know, I remember this, you know, not being with this type of sign. I remember it being taller. There were also no rails. Huh. 1 and 2 mile. 1/4 mile. Which one do you want to choose? The long one or the short one?
You're the boss. Well, that's a lot of spider web.
Yeah. In this part of town, they call these white leaves. It looks like something. Nah.
There's a lot of spider webs. Are those trails to go in or no?
They look like they used to be.
Yeah. I don't know if we're allowed. It only goes up to there anyway.
I don't know what that is. I feel like this is artificial. There's never any animals in park creeks. Never. Or at least the water.
Are you a guapo? Yes. Alright. The son of the dad.
Yeah.
Cool trail?
Yeah. I remember one thing. I accidentally my phone was in my shorts. And I accidentally called my mom, because I guess the cloth was too thin.
Yeah.
So my waist typed down, or called her contacts. So I accidentally called my mom. Spot where I accidentally called my mom was. I don't remember which path I chose to go to that spot. I don't know if it was the long one, which is this one, or the short one. Here we have some sheddings, I think. Yep, these are sheddings.
Of
Dragonflies, maybe. Or, you know, dead beetles. It's green. I don't know any green dragonflies. Nope, that's a beetle. A beetle died somehow. Looks big. That's its things. Its legs. Letters in a tree.
anomaly.
We don't know how it happens. We think it's a way to show which trees are like about to die.
Carvings. Graffiti carvings.
What's a carving?
That's a carving.
Oh.
Somebody carved them.
No, it's natural. It's natural.
Oh, okay. All right.
I would know.
All right.
I've gone outside once.
Joker?
What do you mean, joking? I'm not joking. It's weird.
All right, so those carvings or naturally occurring letters and alphabets, that's how the alphabets are invented?
Yeah. We chose the coolest looking ones. We have some rejects. We have this one. This is not a reject in a way. It's what it used to be just one letter, but the symbol was split in half. Oh, that's weird. Sort of looks like it's forming a name here.
Like the alphabets.
Yeah.
This is how the alphabets are invented, because trees like this have naturally occurring alphabets, right?
So that's a cool fun fact. Now, in some parts of town, we don't call them, we call these spider webs ghost hammocks. That's because of how they're basically invisible. I'm actually just guessing that there's a web here. But they call them ghost hammocks because they're invisible, and they're like...
They're not invisible, they're very visible.
I can't see anything. I'm honestly just guessing if there's a ghost hammock here.
Oh, it's a ghost. Right,
Yeah.
right. For ghosts.
Small
We
ghost.
call them prankster.
Prankster, no. Oh, here, what's this? Looks like it's shedding its skin. A tree's shedding its skin. There's always a bunch of ants crawling around on trees. I guess this is their empire. I think if you put your hand in here, something might, you might feel a wriggling. I suggest you don't put your hands in the junk piles. I don't know where we're going.
Anyway.
I don't know. Downhill.
Okay.
Now sometimes you gotta be careful because of these leaves which have spikes on them. That hurts. Anyway, I actually didn't get hurt despite my genius acting. But yeah, I don't know why there's spikes here.
Prankster, Joker.
Now, remember to be careful while hiking if there's no paths, because sometimes you might fall, like, you know, downhill. So always remember to bring a buddy with you next time you... Ah!
Whoa.
Another one of my genius acting examples.
Whoa.
I don't actually believe. You know, people used to turn these into drinking fountains and drink out of it. Oh, hey, what's that? That's an egg.
Now imagine if you have a house in some place like this. You just go outside and, you know, nature. There's a squirrel over there.
Okay. That branch is about to break.
Would you rather have a house by nature or away from nature?
Time to choose your favorite stick. I don't trust that stick. There's too many holes inside. I'm not touching that. Usually, if you see sticks with holes in them, they can have a bunch of its wings looks like bird wings. Like the spiders are just deceiving us, making us think there's something that's like on a tree. It's actually not. Can I sit on this? I want to sit on this.
Yeah.
We have found a new chair for your. Okay, now I'm starting to find. Yeah. These aren't like sheddings, these are beetles, dead beetles. Should have sat on that. This is basically just an entire ghost hammock apartment building at this point. Yep, these trees are somehow still alive.
Well, they're just covered by dust. They're just dusty. It's like
what a mystery. We might never know.
Well, you'll still be alive if you're covered with dust, right? You're just dusty.
We might never know.
Oh, right.
We may never know. We're about to reach the...
Joker kid.
Stop. I'm not joking.
Okay.
I'm the most serious man alive.
Serious actor.
I'm the serious man alive. I'm the most serious man here. It's like two trees intertwined, becoming this whole thing. It's basically a gate to another dimension.
Are you in another dimension now? Whoa, you did not hear me. Maybe you went to another dimension.
Let's get out of here. I don't want to see that. Biggest mistake ever.
Really?
Yeah.
What dimension were you in?
I don't want to talk about it. Don't look through.
Okay.
Don't look through.
Right.
It's the realest thing we've ever seen.
Okay. Another world, huh?
There is another way. Alright. It says here R.A. Numer. I don't know what this symbol is. Sort of looks like an upside down peach. Yep, nothing in this
Don't
stick.
do that. Must be like a badger or something coming out. Might attack you, right?
That was the most brittle stick I've ever seen. Oh, it's those ones with like the cotton
They've been
inside.
dead for a while.
Looks like
They're just brittle.
I know what these are. I see them in school all the time. Just like foam inside. Foam. Oh, we're on the other side.
Are we going to see the wizard?
The Wonderful Wizard of Oz?
Yes.
Just because? Look, this is...
Is that your secret spot?
Okay. This is a very...
Secret spot.
This is an extremely clear... Oh, hey, look! Water
Extremely
bug.
secret.
There's a bunch of water bugs too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what the heck that is. What type of water bug does that? The skeeters. They call them skeeters or scoots. I bet if you broke this thing in half, there would be bugs inside.
If you break.
Yeah, and there would be bugs inside.
Hey, look, there's some birds.
What is that noise?
Here.
Oh. Okay then. Beaky buzzards. Large.
They're like eagles or vultures or something, right?
Oh, I just saw it. Yeah. They use camouflage. Oh, there's a turtle.
Are those eagles?
Kind
Or
of look like
ducks?
them.
Get it. And a turtle. Get
Oh, look, that's a hoverfly. That's not a bee. That's a hoverfly.
Where?
That thing.
It's hard to get.
Yeah, those hoverflies. It's just a fly. It looks like a bee because of their camouflage. It's not camouflage. They just pretend to be bees so that they won't get attacked. This is up. These are parts of lily pads, I think. I smell natural.
Nature.
Actually, no, it smells like candy.
Candy? Yeah.
Candy smelling thing I've ever seen. Smell it. That's not a trail. This isn't a trail. It's not.
It's a trail, it's a small trail, not for us though, right? Not for visitors. We stay on the big trail for visitors, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, yep, this is nearing the place where I accidentally called my mom. It was in the sun.
It's like an open field.
Yeah, we're in lizard
very small.
territory. That's a lizard.
Is that a trail in there?
No.
It is. It's down there.
Yeah.
Small trail. It is a trail.
These are the ones that explode. Yeah. Yep, lizard territory. If I had a net, I would
This
have caught.
is like a dead end.
I would have caught that lizard. Too bad I can't.
Yeah.
That's a hole.
You want to go back to the main trail?
Let's go back. I don't like being near these things. I know what these things are. They have a self-defense thing where they blow up.
Yeah, that's cool, right? I like those.
Yeah, but they have caterpillars, and I don't like caterpillars. I think that's one of the bugs that I'm afraid of.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, so it's funny because you touch the caterpillar. There's no blackberries here.
Maybe before, off season or so.
Maybe.
Yeah.
You see those?
Maybe it's still there.
Those
Just don't know.
exploding plants, those are like the favorite food of a might not see one. Oh, that's a surfacing one. Oh, and it went back.
It's a big spider. You see it?
Yes, I do. This isn't lotus. Or maybe it is. It's just not silk. There's still a stream coming on. A bunch of damselflies. I don't like damselflies. Boring. They die like after a day you talk to them. Even if they're very healthy, they just...
That's a big one. Look. Spider, I like that.
This creek looks... Oh yeah, never mind.
It's a fish.
Yeah. Bass.
That's not bass.
It's a bass.
Is it?
No.
Oh, that's turtle over here.
Yeah, turtle. That there is a common pond slider turtle. No, I'm just joking. It's not. I'm not sure what it is. I was gonna say like this creek looks like it has a bunch of life. It looks like a thriving creek, and I looked over it, and then yeah, there's a fish. Yeah. Thorns. I shouldn't even have touched that. There's thorns on these branches.
There's a lot of webs here. Look,
Yeah, hold on.
it's full of webs, yeah?
That's not
What
fern.
they call those? Ghost webs?
Ghost hammocks. That's what
Ghost hammock, yeah.
To be fair, I did make that up. I'm the only one who calls them that.
Okay. Oh, you know why there's a lot here? Maybe there's a lot of insects going to the water. So they wait for them.
Maybe. Saw something moving. Oh, hey! That's what they call a squash bug. Or assassin bugs. They're not actually assassin bugs, but people confuse them as assassin bugs, and you know, the rest is history. They thought they were assassin bugs, and then they started calling them that, and then, you know, their nickname became their real name. This one's hyper. That's a hyper bug. Oh, the tree's still alive. That's nice. He's not dead. I just saved its life. Oh wait, no, the shell's broken. It's gonna die.
Who was on the web?
Yeah. It's already... No, it's not crippled, actually. I just saved its life. Be grateful. And it died. I threw it into the water by accident. Sometimes you just gotta know that sometimes you just get trapped in a ghost hammock, and if you get saved by some giant creature, they might accidentally throw you into the water. I'm surprised that one was still alive. Usually when you find them, they're already dead. I can smell them. I smell the aroma of the fire ants.
You see that? There.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
A squirrel. I have not seen a squirrel since I was in Bixby.
E-squirrel?
A squid. It's a squirrel.
It's an e-squirrel.
No, it's a squirrel. It's a squirrel.
Oh, way over there.
And it's gone. It darted to the left.
It's gonna move, see?
Maybe there were
Hard
two
to
of them.
focus.
Let's go near. That's not a squirrel.
Go walk in the wood. On top of this wood. Can you do that? On top of there. Let's see your skateboarding balance. Or just general balancing. General balance skills. Go there.
Oh,
Go there, baby.
it's too wriggly. Hold on.
No, just walk on it. It's huge.
What is this blue?
You got it?
Yeah.
It's a huge tree, right?
Mm.
Look here. See? Are you scared? It's the hugest tree. The biggest. So let's go.
This is actually bigger than.
Yeah, let's go walk here.
What happened? Why did it get smaller here? As if it like cracked in half.
It's the top of the tree. It gets smaller.
How do you tell when they're dead or not?
What's up?
These.
Well, it's the feel. Yeah.
Yeah, it's dead.
If it's easily broken, it's not being used anymore. It's been old now. If it's brand new, it's still
Yeah.
a little bit stickier or sticky and stronger.
Looks like a wrinkle. The
Does.
tree like flabbed.
Yeah.
It's not hollow, so I don't know what that means.
Cool, right?
This seems familiar, yeah.
We used to play on things like that before.
No.
Huh? What do you mean?
No, I didn't.
No, not you.
Oh,
When I was young.
okay.
It's a playground.
Oh yeah, I have water.
Go through the tree. Yeah. To another dimension of the Twilight Zone. Get it? Back to the normal dimension.
Whew.
Not the Twilight Zone. Get it?
That's good.
See that? The witches live there. Werewolves, witches, you know.
Oh, that's a lizard. Okay. Sadly, we cannot catch them. Lizard.
Witches live here.
Okay.
In there. Is that a spooky place?
Let's go in.
Check it.
Lizard.
Tell me if there are werewolves there, monsters and stuff.
Where am I? Where have I gone?
Hee hee.
I think I got lost in the woods. There's nothing here. Maybe it got abandoned.
No monsters?
Yeah, maybe there used to be
Werewolves?
monsters. They abandoned it. Why do I feel like I went with my mom here? My mom's never even been here. I think. Well, too bad.
Why?
Keep up.
Where?
Gate.
Oh, that's a dead end. You see that dead end? Maybe it goes to the left. Yeah, it does go to the left. But maybe we're just going in circles now. I think we're going in circles now.
No. What do you mean? Why would we? What? I'm not touching that.
It's the witch's curse.
That's really weird.
It's
How
making
come
us
there's
go
a
in
fruit?
circles. Yeah.
There's a fruit. What type of fruit is that?
Where?
That thing. What type of fruit is that?
Don't know.
Don't touch it. We're not going in a circle. I know what to think.
There, check it out.
Yeah. I know someone who went there. Well, I don't know them personally. I just watched them.
This is where the UFO lands, right? Good, dude.
I saw someone go inside that forest, came out, their career was ruined. They were on the news. They were like, oh man. Don't worry, I have a stick you can defend. Stick. Slightly pointy end. It looks dead. Not like recently broken up. Yeah, there's a bunch of squirrels here. I think this is the grayback squirrel. That does make sense. I think it's confused on what we are. It makes sense why it's called the grayback squirrel, because its back is gray. I think it's eating right now. Yeah, there's a bunch of acorns on the ground. So there's this like shadow here that's over up there. I don't know what is making the shadow, but it looks like a smiley face. Like this long thing is the smiley face, and these two are the eyes.
Right.
Sort of looks like a ghost face, where they're like creepy. I mean scared.
You're correct.
Yeah. I don't know what's making that face. That's pretty cool.
Oh, what do you call those dragonflies? They're blue.
Damselflies.
Damselflies? They're pretty cool, right? You don't like them.
No.
They look cool. I like them.
They're hard to catch and they always die. Like after.
Oh no, these are dragonflies. Look, see, they're big.
No, it's a
No,
damselfly.
this one.
Oh.
That one.
Oh, that one is.
Yeah, it's blue.
That's a dragonfly. These are damselflies. That's a dragonfly.
Yeah.
It's blending in. None of them are geodes.
They're just rocks.
They're just rocks.
Go check out that big tree. Go check out the big tree.
Hold on. Oh, wow. Look at that. Come here.
Oh, that's a big spider.
Here. That's a dead fish, which has a bunch of water bugs eating on it.
Oh yeah. Touch it with your stick. It's a dead small fish. Yeah, that's it.
Maybe it just like, I don't know how that thing could have died. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos.